All eyes are on Hurricane Sandy as Florida gears up to feel its force. The hurricane has been upgraded to a level 2 after a couple of days of pounding areas of South America. Havana was hit on Wednesday night as the storm brought heavy rain and wind to Cuba's capital. Palm trees and traffic lights swayed in the wind gusts, and Cubans who found themselves on the streets were looking for cover. Before arriving in Cuba, Hurricane Sandy battered Jamaica with ferocious winds, waves and rain, knocking down trees and power lines. Flooding also hit parts of southwestern Haiti as the hurricane swept by en route to Cuba. Rivers overflowed, leaving homes stranded amid floodwaters in the seaport city of Cayes. Residents waded through ankle-deep water after Sandy dumped heavy rains on the area.